How to install manually SSL certificate on Namecheap. So before we start, if you haven't purchased SSL certificate or want to renew your yearly plans, you can do so by clicking the first link in the description below. Now let's get started. First of all, log into your Namecheap account and head over to the hosting list on your left side. Once you do so, you just need to select your hosting that you want to go with and tap on Go to cPanel. Once you do so, this will redirect you to the cPanel. Now once you are in, you have to simply look for the option of Namecheap SSL. If you can't find it, you can simply tap on the search icon on the top right corner. So simply tap on the Namecheap SSL, and once you are in, you just need to select your domain that you want to download the SSL certificate for and tap on the install button. Once you do so, you have to again select your domain by this drop down menu. Once you have selected it, the next thing is you have to add the admin details. That is, you have to simply enter that particular email on which you want your SSL certificate on. Once you do so, tap on the install certificate, and then you just need to wait for few minutes until you receive your SSL certificate. So that was the process of how you can install manually SSL certificate on Namecheap.